So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to flip or mirror an image in PowerPoint, you can do it in just a few clicks without editing the image separately. So firstly, insert your image into the slide, then click on it. Go to Picture Format, then Rotate. You'll see several options for changing the image's orientation. Just choose Flip Horizontal to mirror the image to the left for right, or choose Flip Vertical to turn the image upside down. After flipping it, you can resize or reposition the image as needed. Now you can quickly flip any image horizontally or vertically directly inside PowerPoint without any extra hassle. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out, and I will see you on the next video.